Here it is, the greatest advance in television since color television itself. The ultimate in performance and convenience. 7-function remote control color television, so perfected you can operate every control. You can operate.
For some people, I think technology appears like this freight train rumbling.
Control.
I'm always in an ugly mood.
The press is vital to our democracy.
You bet something is amiss.
I even hate myself.
And you're set for hours of pure pleasure. You can operate every control.
You bet something is amiss.
Und für alle Schleckermäul.
7-function remote control color television.
For some people, I think technology appears like this freight train.
You can operate every control.
You bet
Ein Imperium auf.
something is amiss.
It's going to be based on several factors.
You can control. You can control.
Des Fötus und sein
Control.
You bet something is amiss.
Wie für die Bären.
Ich war noch kurz bei einem von den beiden Typen.
They have even managed to turn the escalation of a failed war into a surge. As if it were a current of electricity through a wire instead of blood spurting from the ruptured vein.
This is a dill pickle, a mighty pretty pickle.
Of a public sphere in which language conceals reality.
When you want to turn off picture and sound, just press this button.